Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find backup and reset option, and here let's enter reset phone. As you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so the reset network settings. Let's tap on it and let's confirm it with the password if you've got one, of course. Let's tap on the reset network settings. Unfortunately our device does not show us any information about the reset, but no worries, we've got it right here, so it will reset the Wi-Fi, mobile Bluetooth and mobile network. So simply tap on reset network settings if you are ready, and as you can see we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.